Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Bosch dishwasher has a red light which is blinking or flashing, this usually means that the dishwasher has detected a cycle interruption, door issue or system fault. So in this video, I will show you how you can diagnose the warning and how you can restore the normal operation. So a blinking red light often appears when the dishwasher door is not securely latched. So you need to inspect for the improper door closure, obstructed racks, latch misalignment and damaged door seals. Simply close the door firmly and restart the cycle. If the blinking stops after doing this, it means that the issue was relating to door securely detached. If the issue still persists in your case, you can just simply identify a cycle wash interruption. So Bosch dishwashers may flash warning light if a wash cycle was paused unexpectedly. So you can try pressing the start and the reset button, hold for several seconds depending on the model, and this can then cancel the interrupted cycle and reset the operation. Now, a red blinking may also signal filling or draining problems. So you need to check for water tap issues, clogged filters or drain hose. The operational faults often trigger warning indicators even without full error codes. Now, if the water has entered the base tray, the leak sensors may activate the warning light. So you need to inspect for any kind of standing water or oversurging or door leak. Drying the base and fixing the leaks may restore its operation. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.